Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrestha, and in today's video we are going to review our previous month, which was April, and set goals for the current month, which is May. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I do these monthly series video and it comes up every month at the end of every month. So if in case you're interested, I'll put the playlist somewhere here. Please check it out. It will have all the videos we have done during these monthly review series videos. So guys, as you know, we are still in the lockdown, we are still in the quarantine, and things are still pretty much the same. So in that case, it is important that we still have some kind of routines, we still have some kind of, goals which are aligning to the yearly goals we planned during the beginning of this year. Obviously, some of the goals cannot be planned anymore, especially like the travel plans. It's out of the picture for a while, I believe. But other than that, there were so many things that you might wanted to achieve for this year, and this is our opportunity to actually go for it and not just leave everything at one side by just saying that we are in the lockdown, if it makes any sense. So all our plans and all our goals need a little bit of tweak, especially keeping in mind what kind of time we are in currently, and that's okay. It's all about doing whatever we can with whatever we have in this current situation.
First step, let's review our previous month. April is my birthday month, so it was super special. I had a lockdown virtual birthday party. I am working on the birthday vlog, should be on my channel soon, guys. I already made a birthday special video, 27 things I have learned in 27 years. We'll link it here in case you guys are interested. I started with a new book called The Atomic Habits by James Clear. Absolutely enjoying it. I've been also working out regularly, so that's another yay for me. So pause this video and review your previous month with me.
And while you review your month, make sure you keep things like these in mind, things you have accomplished, things which really scared you in the previous month, things you're grateful for, and things you really want to work on in the upcoming months.
The next step is setting goals for the next month, which is May. I have been using my life hacking planner for this purpose. If you would like to know more about this planner, I have an in-depth review on my channel. I would link the video somewhere here. Please check it out if in case you guys are interested. This planner is already a set one, so all I have to do is fill it in. But you can use any plain notebook to do so. You don't need any fancy planner for that purpose. You can use particular trackers to track your goals or habits. I usually just set up the dates and plan my goals for the next month. In this very clip, as you can see, I have filled in the dates, and then I mark on the important dates on my calendar. The next step is to think about the monthly goals you want and plan it out.
I know, guys, things are getting all monotonous and boring, and it's more and more difficult to just work from home. But hold on tight, we will get through this. And like I said, it is very important to have some kind of routine or schedule or some kind of aim in mind. But the point is, don't ever think that someone is pressurizing you to be all productive and motivated. But the thing is, you need to have some kind of aim or routine in your life so that you just don't feel all lost and everything. Like, it is very important for me to have a routine, to have things done in the day, or else I really feel very demotivated. All my mood goes really down. So really depends upon person to person what you really want to do in this quarantine. In case you have no idea what you would wish to do, I have a video on my channel in which I have explained 10 things you can do during this quarantine. If you're interested, I'll put this video somewhere here. Please check it out once you're done with this video. In case it helps, I'll be happy to know that it is helping you in any way it can. So do your bit, don't just give up, don't just feel all demotivated, and don't just let all of this affect you here. And take care of yourself, not just physically but mentally as well. It's so important that when there are uncertain times, when there are gloomy times, or times like these which we have not personally gone through, we have no idea about them, it is so important to keep your well-being intact, to work towards your mental health and physical health. That should be your biggest goal during this quarantine, to take care of your overall well-being. And there are so many things you can do so to take care of yourself mentally and physically. You can have regular workouts, you can do yoga. That really helps you mentally as well. Just do some pranayam, do some exercises, do some breathing exercises, whatever makes you happy, go for it. This is the first time you have got in your life that you're at home and you can do whatever you can. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have, I'm really thankful. It really means a lot. Also hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can join the notification squad and you know all the updates of all the videos I upload. With that, I'm gonna sign out. Take care, stay safe, stay at home guys, and meet me next Thursday. Or I might put like my birthday vlog this Sunday. Let's see how it goes. Or else we will be sticking to our normal schedule. So meet me next Thursday. Until then, take care. Bye bye guys. I love you all.